I'm ready. Welcome back. We're playing airplane number two. Hmm. And this is the second story that happened. Hmm. Hmm. My name is Kelly. I will be your pilot in the plane. As you could probably tell, it is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome you to the 911 President aircraft. You have one that president would like to celebrate the personality with Ukraine, music, and Apple last time. We don't understand how the country lost term this time. Anyway, say the day as here's the one. Hmm. Oh, right in the heading. Then we find your seat and we floating through the living. Oh, okay. As if we about the question. To be okay. Okay, okay, I can hear you. Yeah, um, yeah. I bet if a person agent will be with you in the next week, please find him a front seat. Okay, that is a boom. Did anyone see else? We could do the president airplane. Think that good friend what you have done. Yes, this is a great thing. Follow me to your next room. I will give you some instructions. Okay. President is get ready. Hitler will meet you in the dining room in a couple minutes. And but it is something the president is very special. He can marry very easily. Please do not tell that not the case kind of trouble. That is our president soon. We almost ready. President, you gotta grab a glass of water while we wait. I'm so sorry. Look at the mess. President is going to be to mess. Can you finally see and clean the mess? Oh yeah, the mop. Okay, pick them up. Okay, okay. President is ready. You follow me to the dining table. We sorry. Okay. No. Wait, what? I'm so sorry. Is that happening? It's anyway, what did you do? My happening. My name is Ronnie. I mean the president to proxy housing. You may know you are here from this nation. We have a delicious meal for the special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet to deliver. Wait, what? Who's the second of this? We will take care of him, Mr. President. You look like a great chef, but Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Yeah, neither does me. Mm, we're about to learn to cook until you ask of the thing. Can hard to find them in a super order. That's glad the if you got the wrong ingredient, so it in the trash. As you ready time to cook, so the ceremony is chicken new grape, the ceremony tomato, ceremony with the eggs, ceremony is cabbages, food is ready. Yay! Yummy. Yummy. Everyone take a seat. Enjoy. You don't the same. As we had to leave this outing. Used to be meeting everyone and the personal state. He followed me to the past repeated room. Wait a second, okay. Wait, okay. Oh my god, has look to the computer room. We use this yeah, to pretend any government. The president is really in the president's seat. In order to put other, we create a secret code to unlock the dome. Now, you might try to figure out the code without hacking. Oh my goodness. Wait, what this one? Oh wait, it's a color? Oh, green. Okay, yeah, I didn't even see the one light up. Whoa. We already need to look in the code. We need the president to be in next room. Ooh. Is amazing. Okay, this the president again. Plot room. Okay. I had you to get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as ever, baby special girl will let you sleep in my presidential bedroom. For some reason, I can find the key. Can you look for it? This should be someone in the room. Oh, somebody over the fence. Good. Let open the door. Ow. Well, only one bed. But happy buckets really fit in there. Mm-hmm. That's it. The moment if you're getting, gotta give you time to confirm. Good night. Good night. Zzz. Is nighttime ready? I can't sleep. There is something but it's scaring me. Hmm. Guys, the curtains. What is this curtain? Oh, that curtain. Oh no. Is that the monster? Hey, you forgot me really audition? Why you Oh my goodness. We need to find a way into I didn't know. Okay, okay. That was the bad. Okay, good. Let's get it. Okay. I can only be visible and thinking to say, see, this is scary. Can you tell? The food is get on quickly. Try something high. But it is high enough I will ever get. Be. Mm. That was so close. But so close. Guys, the phone is ringing. We should hang it up. Hello? Who there? Hey guys, I guess you pick it up. That's the telephone is having on this plane. You just say, I can tell you must do the phone. I need you guys to come here to the hot captain. Hmm, that is the problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute to try and get out. What? I will do that Kevin and the message must be. See you in then. But anyways, like and subscribe. Mm, you will never escape. And then don't let them catch you. Look at them. Oh, the door is open again. Interesting. Anyways, like and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Twitch. What is going on? These are the monster against. Did he defeat us here? Don't know. But I get a lot. Just a little bit. I mean, you come here again. I didn't. There was something wrong here. Me too. Thank goodness. Isn't just a parent. I'm also a secret agent. I know a lot about this myself. wanted to be a hero and was about to play a hero elements in mm, 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 mm. I will do it. Mm, mm, mm. We know about it. Uh, you make a human mistake. We are not monsters. Mm, I don't trust you. Let's say five. What do you mean? Oh my goodness. Oh, what's that? It's the monster, Mr. President. It had been hunting us since the first trip. Daddy Jim, he tried to take advantage of this trip to kill us. That is crazy. Thank you for saving my life. Congratulations, listeners. Save the day once again. That was just gravy. Let me go home. At least it's not funny gone now. Finally gone. Anyway, give a like figure like a come back to 8 plus hot 3 iPhone from anyways. Bye.